Number 7, we got 4 to the 4th power raised to the power of 0. We see that our power is raised to a power, so of course we're going to use the power rule. Right? If you have double the amount of power, that power rule should stick in your brain just like that. So we keep our base the same, that's 4. And then what do we do with that 4 and that 0? Do we add them together? No, what do we do instead? We multiply them or times them. 4 times 0 gives us what? 0. And anything to the power of 0, Devin, is equal to? 1. That's right. Thank you, guys. 1 is what we get. Nice and simple. Now, you could have also done, well, okay, 4 to the 4th is something. I think it's like 256. So whatever that is, if it's raised to the power of 0, that's just always going to equal 1 anyway. But following the power rule, we see that we get 1 that way as well. Okay, we're going to go through this kind of quick because I want us to get through our review. Number 10, we keep our base of 4 the same. And what do we do with -1 and 3? Yeah, we multiply them, exactly. Same thing for every single problem. We just multiply the exponents together. We get 4 to the what? -3. Are we done?
No.
No, good. What are we going to do with that 4?
Put the fraction.
Put it in a fraction and flip it, exactly. Right, over 1, flip it around. We only do this process when we have a negative exponent in our answer, right?
Yes.
I've seen occasionally some people doing it on every problem. We only want to do it when our exponent's negative. We get 1 over 4 to the -3. We make that exponent positive, 1 over 4 to the 3rd. And what is 4 to the 3rd power equal to? 4 times 4 times 4. Take a look at your paper. What did you write?
28.
28 is a little bit more than that. 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 4 would be 64. And I think that one is in our notes too, so if you're on a test or something, you could find that if you need that extra help. Yeah, we did, 4 to the 3rd power.
Wait, is it okay if we still had the 1 4 over there?
Yes, if you left it like this, I would count it as correct, but I can't promise that your 9th grade teacher won't take points off, so I'm saying it's probably best to work it out if you can.
Okay.
Me personally.
I was just going,
What's that?
I was just going, I wasn't worried about it. I was just
Oh yeah, no, that's totally fine. As long as you're comfortable with the process of doing the power rule, that's what I care about. So if you know to multiply them when you see something like this, then you're good as gold. Okay, you're good. Thank you for bringing that up. It's just one of those math technicalities that I have to say, but at the end of the day, I know what you mean and I know what you did. And if you get 1 over 4 to the 3rd, you did the power rule right. That's what matters. Down to 13, almost done. 13. Keep our base of 5 the same. Now, what is a negative times a negative always going to give us? A positive, that's right. Think about the old phrase, 2 wrongs make a right. 2 negatives make a positive 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative times a negative gives us a positive. 5 to the power of 5 is what we get. And finally, number 14, keep our base of x. Once again, -6 times -4. Well, that's going to give us a positive something, but what's 6 times 4? Positive 24. Maybe we'll do a multiplication facts review again so that we can get that done. I don't know. X to the 24th is what we get. Anyone get all 4 of those right? Show thumbs up if you're like, oh yeah, that was easy, I got all 4 of them right. Good, most of us. That's what I like to see. If you have any additional questions about this, I know we went through this kind of quick, but it is Thursday, so we have less time. Please let me know once we're taking the practice quiz so that we can get that taken care of, all right?